We are in the faster capsule. We said that there are sickness that we don't know. We have just finished with 4 bad feelings. We are from stress. We talk about anger, sadness, excessive joy, and we didn't know that there was a sickness. So right now, we are going to see the disease which is from our food. What are the sickness from our food? Today we are going to talk about diabetes. Diabetes is a diastolic disease. These are illness that go into it, and we eat the sugar, refined sugar, and the consumption of refined sugar, and that sugar caramelized in our body. So let's go to see that video and come back in order to diabetes is the refined sugar we consume, and that quantity will caramelize, and our soul can't use them. So what happens when we consume that sugar is a fake fuel? So our body refuses that nasty fuel. So how is the definition of diabetes? Diabetes means our caramelized sugar pass through our body without being used. How may I do in order to know that we can't have diabetes? There are 3 methods in order to consult. First, you consult yourself, and you will realize all the time that you urinate so much. In the night, you get up 3 or 5 times in order to urinate. Second, we eat a lot of. Third, you drink a lot of. And in the last science, we only lost weight that false conditions may make you to think about diabetes. So go to consult in order to be sure that isn't diabetes. The second method in order to discover if you are diabetes, you can take blood sugar with glycometer. You take a fifth of your blood, you put it in that machine, and your machine will show you the quantity of sugar in our blood. It's easy to do it. You are able to do it at home, and from the result, you can realize that you have diabetes, or diabetes is coming slowly in your life. The first and last conditions, you make a glycoted hemoglobin. You go to the laboratory, the analysis laboratory, they will take your blood and will charge the glycoted hemoglobin. Here are the three steps which can help you in order to discover that you have a diabetes. So we have to look for the quantity of sugar in your life. And that could have to be less 1 gram in your blood. If you have more of 1 gram of sugar in your blood, you have to consult a doctor because you can't have diabetes. So here the first possibility in order to discover that you have diabetes, even if you haven't that quantity, you can't change your behavior to eat the healthy food in order to avoid diabetes. It's easy to realize that you can have diabetes or not. That depends on you, but you may realize that the sugar, the reference sugar which are in your blood, you took it in your food. You only eat it. So here, we may be realized that our diabetes depend on our behaviors. We took something outside, you have it, and that sugar caramelized in our blood, and that sugar will give us a lot of difficulty. If you don't correct yourself, you don't evade that such of diet, you are able to be sick and you won't have 120 years old in your life. Thank you very much and see you tomorrow.